know, we consider Russia as a great friend, and I would like to continue to maintain and enhance this relationship. In our history, we remember that Russia has always helped us in many aspects. When we were in difficulties, Russia helped us. So this is something that we inherit from our parents, that we must never forget those who help us.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.